I've been wanting to try some wigs out just because, you know, they're cute or whatever. I ordered 4 wigs from Amazon and this one is by Charisma. I don't know if I'm saying it right. They included a wig cap for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. And by the way, like, this is my very first time putting on a wig. I just pinned my hair all around so it's flat. And I have like a big forehead, so I hope this stays because my head is pretty big. Oh my god. It's so thick. I saw online. It was more like of a green, but this turned out to be a different color. But I like this color too. It's pretty cute. Makes me feel like a mermaid. And I'm surprised it doesn't really feel heavy. But overall, I like this. It's super hot though. Oh my gosh. All right. This one I have is by DAOTS. For this one, it didn't come with any wig caps. Ooh, it's wavy. And it has bangs. Ooh, okay. I don't really like the wig. I mean, not the wig. The bangs. Now, goodbye Ariel. I have new fashion. Oh, and they do have a weaving cap, which is awesome. Thank you Charisma, and thank you New Fashion. This is how it looks. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This one is like, okay, I'm not really feeling this one. I think next time I'm gonna buy a wig that doesn't have bangs because it's not cute. Unless I put a hat on. The thing I do like about it is it doesn't tangle as much as the other ones. Maybe, I think I'm gonna straighten this out because maybe it'll look better. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's so hot. Whew. Okay. I think this is Simpleyourstyle. It's an all gray wig. Actually, these bangs are not that bad. Ooh, I actually like the curls in this wig. Turn around slowly. Ooh, I cannot wait till my hair gets this long. Because when it gets this long, you already know.